What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Gusto and OnPay. Gusto and OnPay stand out as popular choices in the realm of payroll software solution for small businesses in 2024. While Gusto is recognized for its user-friendly platform tailored for small businesses, OnPay offers a cost-effective alternative with specific advantages for Mac users. Let's dive deeper into these two platforms to help you make an informed decision for your business. Let's start with Gusto. Gusto is a game-changing platform that streamlines payroll, HR, and team management for businesses of all sizes. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Gusto simplifies complex processes, saving time and reducing errors. In this video, we will dive into the key benefits and functionalities that make Gusto a top choice for modern businesses. Let's start with its features. Gusto streamlines payroll tasks with a simple onboarding process, allowing businesses to pay their team quickly and accurately in just a few clicks. This feature eliminates the hassle of manual payroll processing, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in managing employee compensation. Gusto helps businesses offer affordable healthcare and financial benefits to their employees. With access to a range of healthcare packages, employers can tailor benefits to meet the diverse needs of their team members, promoting employee satisfaction and retention beyond monetary compensation. Gusto's automated HR software simplifies HR tasks, saving businesses time and reducing administrative burdens. By centralizing HR functions and eliminating the need to switch between systems, Gusto ensures compliance and reduces stress associated with managing human resources. Gusto seamlessly integrates time tracking with payroll processing, eliminating manual data entry errors and simplifying approval workflows. This feature enables employees to accurately record their hours, facilitates easy approval by managers, and ensures that payroll is prepared automatically, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in managing employee compensation. Gusto provides businesses with valuable insights through customizable reports, anonymous team surveys, automatic compliance alerts, and other tools. By leveraging smart data analytics, businesses can make informed decisions, identify areas of improvement, and drive growth, ultimately optimizing their operations and maximizing success. Now, let's discuss its drawbacks. Gusto may not be suitable for larger businesses with complex payroll needs, as its capabilities may not scale effectively to accommodate extensive employee counts and integrate organizational structures. Integrating Gusto with other software systems or platforms may be challenging, potentially requiring additional time and resources to ensure seamless data transfer and compatibility. While Gusto offers competitive pricing for its services, businesses with tight budget constraints or requiring advanced features may find the cost of subscription plans to be prohibitive, especially as employee counts grow or additional features are needed. Now, let's talk about OnPay. OnPay's payroll software stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for businesses seeking efficient payroll processing, tax automation, and detailed reporting capabilities. With its cloud-based platform, seamless integration with popular accounting software, and emphasis on simplifying complex payroll tasks, OnPay offers a reliable and cost-effective option for small businesses looking to streamline their payroll operations. In this review, we are going to dive into the key features and benefits of OnPay's software to help you make an informed decision for your payroll needs. Let's start with its features. OnPay's payroll software streamlines payroll processing with unlimited monthly pay runs, allowing you to quickly pay employees and contractors via check, debit card, or direct deposit. The system enables easy entry of hours, review, and approval of each pay run with just a few clicks or taps. OnPay ensures accurate handling of payroll taxes and filings, relieving businesses of tax-related stress. With over 30 years of payroll experience, the software guarantees precise tax calculations and provides expert support for any tax-related queries, saving time and avoiding errors. The software integrates seamlessly with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, eliminating the need for double data entry. This integration ensures that financial records remain accurate and up-to-date by syncing payroll data effortlessly with accounting systems. OnPay's Report Designer feature allows users to create personalized payroll reports tailored to their business needs. This tool enables businesses to focus on key metrics by setting up custom reports that highlight essential financial information in real time, enhancing decision-making process. OnPay offers a range of HR solutions at no extra cost, including employee onboarding tools, integrated benefits management for insurance, and customizable workflows. These features simplify human resources management for small businesses, providing a comprehensive solution within a monthly payroll fee. Now, let's discuss its drawbacks. OnPay's software lacks a dedicated mobile app for employers, potentially hindering the accessibility and convenience of managing payroll tasks on the go. While the platform offers a mobile app for employees on iOS, the functionality may be limited compared to the desktop version, with some features missing or less customizable. This limitation could impact the user experience for employers who prefer mobile access to payroll data and functions. OnPay's software is primarily designed to support US-based workforces, which may pose a challenge for businesses operating internationally or with employees in other countries. The software's focus on US tax regulations and compliance could limit its effectiveness for businesses with diverse global operations, potentially requiring additional solutions or manual adjustments to accommodate international workforce needs. While OnPay offers a mobile app for employees, the mobile version of the software may have limitations compared to the desktop version. Some essential features, such as detailed tax information and reports, could be missing or less robust on the mobile platform. This discrepancy in functionality between mobile and desktop versions may impact user satisfaction and efficiency when accessing payroll data and performing tasks on mobile devices. In conclusion, both Gusto and OnPay offer unique strengths in the realm of payroll software for small businesses. Gusto excels in user-friendliness and comprehensive HR features, while OnPay stands out for its cost-effectiveness and compatibility with Mac users. Ultimately, the choice between these two platforms will depend on specific needs and preferences of your business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.